There's a moment many men over 60 experience, but almost never talk about. It's not loud, it's not dramatic, it's subtle. You begin to notice that your body doesn't respond the way it used to. Your energy feels lower, your recovery takes longer, and when it comes to intimacy, firmness isn't as reliable. Confidence isn't as automatic. And the hardest part? You start wondering if this is just how it is now, if this is normal aging. But here's what I want you to understand. Erection strength after 60 is not just about age. It's about circulation. It's about hormones. It's about nerve signaling. And very importantly, it's about micronutrient status. An erection is one of the most complex vascular events in the human body. It requires healthy blood vessels that can dilate, strong nitric oxide signaling, balanced testosterone levels, responsive nerve pathways, healthy endothelial function. If even one of those systems weakens, performance changes. And here's something most men don't realize. After 60, nutrient absorption declines significantly. Stomach acid drops, digestive enzymes decrease, kidney efficiency changes, sun exposure decreases, medication use increases, which means deficiencies become common, even if your diet seems okay. Today I'm going to walk you through the top 5 vitamins that support strong erections and vitality naturally for men over 60. Not quick fixes, not dangerous shortcuts, not synthetic hormones, but foundational nutritional support that strengthens the systems behind performance. And stay with me until the end, because the 5th vitamin is directly linked to nitric oxide protection, and without it, blood flow simply cannot perform at its best. Let's begin with vitamin number 1, vitamin D. Vitamin D is often misunderstood as just a bone support vitamin, but biologically, it acts more like a hormone. Vitamin D receptors are present in the testes, vascular smooth muscle cells, and endothelial tissue, all crucial for erectile strength. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism shows a strong association between low vitamin D levels and erectile dysfunction in older men. Here's why that matters. Vitamin D supports endothelial function, the inner lining of your blood vessels. If the endothelium becomes stiff or inflamed, blood vessels cannot expand properly. And if blood vessels cannot expand, blood flow cannot increase. And if blood flow cannot increase, erection strength decreases. After 60, vitamin D deficiency becomes extremely common. Less sunlight exposure, reduced skin conversion efficiency, more indoor lifestyle. Kidney conversion declines. Symptoms of deficiency often mimic low testosterone, fatigue, low mood, muscle weakness, reduced libido, poor circulation. Correcting deficiency doesn't create instant miracles, but it restores foundational support for vascular and hormonal function. And when the foundation improves, performance often follows. Now here's something interesting. Vitamin D also helps regulate inflammation. Chronic inflammation interferes with nitric oxide production. Which brings us to the 2nd vitamin, directly involved in nitric oxide pathways. Vitamin number 2, vitamin B3, also known as niacin. Now this one has been studied directly in men with erectile challenges. A clinical study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that men with moderate erectile dysfunction who supplemented with niacin experienced significant improvements in erection quality compared to placebo. Why? Because niacin improves endothelial function, and endothelial function is everything when it comes to erections. Let's simplify this. When you become aroused, your body releases nitric oxide. Nitric oxide signals blood vessels to relax and expand. Expanded vessels allow increased blood flow. That blood fills specialized chambers. Firmness occurs. But if blood vessels are stiff, inflamed, or narrow, nitric oxide cannot do its job properly. Niacin supports vascular flexibility and improves circulation. After 60, arteries naturally lose elasticity. This is part of aging, but it's not untouchable. Improving vascular health improves performance. Niacin also supports lipid balance. Healthier cholesterol profiles are linked with better endothelial health. But here's something important. High doses of niacin should only be taken under medical supervision. The goal is not megadosing. The goal is correcting deficiency and supporting vascular function safely. Now let's move to vitamin number 3, and this one is often overlooked in men's health: vitamin B12. Many men over 60 are deficient in B12 without knowing it. Stomach acid declines with age, and stomach acid is necessary to release B12 from food proteins. Certain medications, including acid blockers and metformin, reduce B12 absorption even further. Why does B12 matter for erection strength? Because erections are nerve-dependent. The brain must send signals down the spinal cord to the pelvic nerves. If nerve signaling slows down, response time weakens. B12 supports myelin sheath integrity, the protective covering around nerves. Without adequate B12, nerve communication becomes less efficient. B12 also supports red blood cell formation. Better red blood cells mean better oxygen delivery. Better oxygen delivery supports tissue health. When tissue health improves, vascular responsiveness improves. Symptoms of low B12 include fatigue, brain fog, numbness, tingling, reduced stamina. Correcting deficiency can improve energy and neurological responsiveness, both critical for vitality. But we're only halfway through, because the next 2 vitamins work directly on hormonal signaling and oxidative stress, 2 silent factors behind declining performance. Vitamin number 4, vitamin B6. This vitamin plays a critical role in hormone regulation. Specifically, it helps regulate prolactin. Why does prolactin matter? Because elevated prolactin suppresses testosterone. Even moderate increases can reduce libido and erectile strength. Vitamin B6 supports healthy dopamine production. Dopamine influences desire, motivation, and arousal signaling. After 60, dopamine production can decline due to stress, poor sleep, and inflammation. When dopamine drops, desire drops. When desire drops, response drops. B6 supports the hypothalamic pituitary gonadal axis, the hormonal communication network responsible for testosterone production. Healthy signaling equals healthier hormone balance, and healthier hormone balance supports vitality. Now let's move to the 5th vitamin, and this one directly protects nitric oxide, vitamin C. Most people associate vitamin C with immunity, but its vascular role is profound. Vitamin C protects nitric oxide molecules from oxidative damage. Without vitamin C, nitric oxide degrades quickly. With vitamin C, nitric oxide remains active longer. This means blood vessels stay relaxed longer, and improved vascular relaxation supports erection quality. Vitamin C also reduces oxidative stress. Oxidative stress damages endothelial cells. Damaged endothelial cells reduce circulation efficiency. Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition has shown that higher vitamin C intake is associated with improved endothelial function. For men over 60, this is crucial because erection quality reflects vascular health, and vascular health reflects overall metabolic health. Now here's something powerful. Erectile dysfunction is often one of the earliest warning signs of cardiovascular disease. It's not just about intimacy, it's a signal about circulation. When circulation improves, many systems improve. Energy improves, brain clarity improves, physical stamina improves, which brings us to something deeper. Vitality is not a single system, it's a network, and vitamins strengthen that network. Let's put everything together. Strong erections after 60 are not about chasing youth, they're about supporting biology. Vitamin D supports endothelial health and testosterone balance. Vitamin B3 improves blood vessel dilation and nitric oxide function. Vitamin B12 strengthens nerve signaling and oxygen delivery. Vitamin B6 supports hormonal communication and dopamine. Vitamin C protects nitric oxide and reduces oxidative stress. Together, they strengthen circulation, hormonal health, nerve function, and tissue integrity. But here's the truth. No vitamin works in isolation. They are part of a larger system. Sleep quality affects testosterone production. Resistance training stimulates nitric oxide and testosterone. Healthy body fat levels reduce estrogen conversion. Stress management protects dopamine. Excess alcohol suppresses hormone production. You cannot supplement your way out of poor lifestyle habits, but you can remove deficiencies that are silently weakening your foundation. And here's something many men are surprised to learn. When deficiencies are corrected, the body often responds better than expected, even after 60. The human body is adaptive. It is resilient. It is responsive. But it requires support. Before starting any supplementation, testing levels is always wise, because intelligent support works better than guessing. If this video helped you understand the science behind vitality after 60, stay connected for more research-based men's health insights. Because strong vitality is not about pretending you're 30, it's about optimizing the body you have now. And when you strengthen circulation, hormones, and nerve health together, confidence often follows naturally. This is Dr. Olivia Parker. Take care of your health before your health forces you to. And I'll see you in the next video.